Hi, want to come along on a drive with me? I was going to go down to the Niagara Falls train station to watch the GO train come in today. Also, since there's only one train and that's not too exciting for you, I thought maybe I'd show you a bunch of other GO train catches that I had for the year 2024. If you want, come along. Come on. So here we are. We're in Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. It's a beautiful day. We're driving north on Victoria Avenue and we're going to turn so we can go downtown. You know what's weird? If you look at those light posts, those red and white and black banners, those are actually Remembrance Day banners, and they're of the veterans of Niagara Falls who have fought in the various world wars. Very, very strange that as January 14th that they're still up. Most cities take them down by mid to late November. Anyway, we just went past the Seneca Theater, what used to be the Seneca Theater. I really like the look of some of the older buildings on this street. You can see a lot of cars here, and that's because there's a diner, and a lot of people come here for breakfast. There's a post office on the right. And coming up, you won't be able to see it very well from here because it's actually inset to the right, but it is the Niagara Falls City Hall building. It was built in 1970. It replaced the original City Hall building from 1866. The original building's just being used, it's storage pretty much now. You can't see it very well, but it's just here on the right where those flags are. And on your left, right here at the corner, used to be Rosberg's department store. That was an amazing department store. That was 1918 to 1988, I believe. Then it was vacant for 20 years, and it burnt down in 2009. Speaking of things burning down, I'm going to turn in here for a second, because just a couple of days before this video was taken, around, I think it was January 1st, there was a fire down here, and it was the historic Empire building. And it was vacant and it burnt down, cause undetermined. I was kind of hoping just to take a look, but the roads are closed and police presence blocking it off, so I can't really get any closer. They're just demolishing the area anyway. Right here on your right, this building, this gray building, that was Canada Customs. That was also a post office. And if you remember the 1954 movie Niagara with Marilyn Monroe and James Cotton, when she comes out of the police station, that's the police station. They used that building. Beautiful building. It's also empty, and well, I don't know that it'll burn easily, but it might become a victim of arson. Who knows? Happens a lot in this area. But anyway, we're going to be turning now to see the Niagara Falls train station. That's the building coming up here on the right. Built in 1879 by the Great Western Railway, this has since operated as the Grand Trunk, Canadian National, GO, and VIA. And I didn't realize, but in 2022, this building was actually acquired by Niagara Region, and they're going to be doing redevelopments of the site. Ooh, bitter cold morning here in Niagara Falls. I was hoping to catch a little action, maybe the Amtrak or a GO train coming in or out. Next to impossible to see the arrivals and departure board, though. And coming in around 11:25 in the morning, here comes the GO train. This will have come from Toronto with multiple stops along the way, dropping off passengers here in Niagara Falls. Now, I'm not going to hang around because the passengers are going to be getting off, getting to their cars, or trying to get onto one of these taxis here, so I don't need to be hanging around for that. You see how many coaches there are and how far back they are? They actually stop way away from the station. They don't stop outside the station at all. They're way back here on the platform. It has something to do with the fact that the station is the home of the Canadian Border Services. It has something to do with the train has to be so many meters away when it stops. I'm not really sure exactly what the rule is, but that's what we were told. So anyway, we're just going to be heading away now. Now, that's the only train I've caught for you today, but just because you're here, I'll show you a couple of other GO trains that I caught throughout the year. Here you go.